Hello, what's up, guys? This is your friend Jose Villalobos, the YouTuber speaking from Jose Plays Music. So today, I'm gonna teach you how to do a Vogel warm-up, a Vogel range. If you guys want to know how to sing, or if you guys trying to do a better sing. But guess what? I could fix that for you. So get your hot tea ready. Get your hot tea ready if you have a tea. So I want you guys to subscribe, those of you who are new. So I'll wait. Did you guys did it? Did you guys put a thumbs up too? Okay, I'll wait. Did you guys did it? Fantastic! I will teach you a vocal range warm-up. Starting with the me. So we're gonna do this. Me. Like you wanna smile on someone. Me. Like you wanna be smiling on someone. Like this. Me. Alright? So let's start. Me. Good job, guys. Good job. Keep doing it. Very good. Do your heart. One more. Good job, everyone. Now we gonna start with the chew, like chewing. It's like you wanna chew a food, but you're not chewing. You're like saying chew, like you wanna sneeze, like this. Chew. It's gonna kind of be hard, but try your best. So later on, it's gonna be like a exercise. You will pump up your voice, your vocal range. Don't just do this. Chew. Like that, no. Do this. Chew. Through here. So let's get started. Good job. Your heart. One more. Good job. Try your best. Through your chest, guys. Good job, guys. Now another warm up gonna be a lip roll. So we're gonna do this like this. Like that. Don't close your teeth. No. Don't close your teeth when you do a lip roll. Just do this. Like, it's like you would do like that, but you're not. But you're closing only your lips. Close your lip only, not too tight. Don't do this. No. No. Here. Listen to this. So you see how I'm doing? I'm using through here. Okay? So later on, we do higher through higher. So let's get started. 3, 2, 1. Do the lip roll. Good job. Don't stop. Good job, guys. job, guys. Keep doing it. Good job, everyone. So another vocal warm-up, a vocal range will be this. Like E, only E. Yeah, oh. Just E, yeah, oh. Yeah, oh. So that's how we're gonna do exercise. So here we go. Not through your voice. Good job, guys. One more. Good job, everyone. And another one will be with the M. Don't do this. No, do this. To order to do exercise, to order to not do it tight, I'll teach you another way how to do exercise before you hum. Okay? Another way you could do is do this. Like that. Okay? Now we're gonna do with the M. job, guys. Don't tie your lips. Good job, guys. Good job, everyone. One more? Good job, everyone. Now, another one. We're gonna, instead of doing sound, we're gonna do this. It might be funny. Good job. Now, to able to do that, we're gonna do this. It's still gonna be the same sound. Good job, guys. Now it's gonna be my. Listen to this. My, 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 my. My, 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 my. Good job, guys. Good job. Don't use your voice, use your chest. Good job. Good job, guys. Now we're gonna do this. Like this. Like that. It's funny, but it's part of a vocal range. It's part the like not able to like crack your voice is by doing this. That's the way how it's gonna help you. So here we go. Louder. I'll do it with you. One more. Good job. Good job. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. One more. Good job, guys. Now we're gonna do me, me, ma, mo, moo. Me, like you would smile on someone. Me, me, ma, mo, moo. Me, similar, but we're gonna make it different. Instead of doing this, me, me, ma, mo, mo, instead of that, we're gonna do this. Me, me, ma, mo, mo. That's how we're gonna do it. So, first listen and then repeat it. When I do this, that means you guys can repeat it. Okay? So there we go. Me, me, ma, mo. Me, me, ma, mo. Good job, everyone. Very, 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 very fantastic. Fantastic. And good job, guys. I am very, very happy that you guys are doing it with me. So, this moment, we're gonna do another one. Instead of doing this, we're gonna do this. Okay, so here we go. One more. Good job, guys. Good job, guys. One more. And finished. Good job, everyone. Well, this video is about vocal range, and now exercise your neck wherever you are, or if you in choir, school choir or church choir, remember to move your arm like this, and now forward slowly, and now bump your shoulder like this. It looks silly, but it's part of a vocal. And stop. Now shake it off. And now, you guys, you did a good job. I think you're gonna do a good job if, like I said, if you in choir or in Santa Fe High School choir, or wherever choir you are, or if you doing a concert, or if you a choir teacher in the church, this is the vocal range. So there we go. Thank you guys for watching this video, and remember always to subscribe and push like. And my comment is off. Yes, I know. Just leave a like. Those of you who are new, put a thumbs up, please. Please, so you can support me and the Mother of the Virgin Mary and Jesus. And thank you guys for watching this video. I have to go, guys. So it's nice to do a vocal warm-up with you. So I'm very, very happy to be with you guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. So bye.